Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing not really an unboxing, but going over some of my favorite Chemical Guys products that I use on a regular basis, whether it's on my car, Penelope, or on clients' cars. We'll start by going the order of detail, starting from the interior and then working our way around to the exterior, final steps, if you will. But one of my favorite products by far from Chemical Guys is Matte Renew. One, smells amazing, smells like grapes. It's great for cleaning off, whether it be WeatherTech mats or just the factory rubber mats. And then next is going to be Fabric Clean from Chemical Guys as well. It's got a really, I don't want to say potent citrus scent if you don't dilute it, but it's pretty strong citrus scent. But it makes it just smell really, really fresh on the interior, and it is by far one of my favorite. Combine that with one of the drill brushes, and this thing gets a lot of things clean. But this is one of my go-tos unless it's a super deep embedded contaminant, stain, whatever you want to call it. And then I will switch over to Lightning Fast, which is a great other product from Chemical Guys. And then one of my favorite waxes to use with the Torque 10FX is the Butter Wet Wax. This gives you a pretty deep shine, and you can use this with a DA polisher, or you can apply it by hand. But yeah, super easy to use. It comes off really, really easily when you're going to take this product off of the vehicle. It doesn't really stick to the surface too much unless you let it dry too long, and then of course it's gonna take a little bit more elbow grease, if you will, to get in there and get this product off. But I mean, we kind of went over this before. You just want to let it get on there. You want it to get to a nice haze, and then you want to take it off. But again, one of my favorite waxes that they offer. Then next up, we've got RVP and Natural Shine. So depending on if you want a little bit of a higher shine or you want more of a factory shine on your rubber trim and exterior, or even on the inside engine bay details, whatever it may be. But if it's got plastic or rubber on it, both of these products do great at making it look almost brand new. Then lastly, we have the P40 Quick Detailer. You should know that this is my favorite compared to the V07 if you watch the V07 versus P40 comparison. It was about a year ago that we did that, but this is one of my all-time favorites. If you missed that video, I will be sure to leave the link to that in the description below. But this is a quick detail carnauba wax spray. It's got a really nice scent to it, but this is going to be used to give it just a little bit deeper of a shine and just a little bit more protection from the elements after using the butter wet wax. It goes on easily, it comes off easily, same with the V07, but this one just gave it a little bit more depth, and that is why it is one of my favorite quick detailer sprays out on the market today. I can't say too much more about it. But again, I just wanted to go over some of my favorites. Of course, Honeydew Snow Foam is on here, or the Watermelon, which I have, and I haven't done a review on the scent. I haven't even used it myself, and I've had it for a few months now. And then Mr. Pink is also great for those just a little bit more deeper of a clean. Again, I did the comparison between the Mr. Pink and the Snow Foam a while back. If you missed that as well, there will be a link to that video in the description below, just so that way you can see which one is going to fit your regimen a little bit better. Yeah, these are the ones that I go through very, very quickly. My personal vehicle, clients' vehicles, and I mean, they are just, oh, gosh. Why do I always get stuck on one word in every video? Anyways, all these products do exceptionally well at what they're supposed to do, and highly recommended on all 6 of these products. Other than that, that's going to take care of this video. I just want to give you guys an overview of what I use on a pretty regular basis and some of my favorite detailing products from Chemical Guys. If you've used these or all of them before, let me know what you think about those in the comments below. But other than that, we'll see you next time. Okay, bye.